Hey, Jonathan Rowland here. I'm the CEO of MyChurch.Events, bringing you the latest on things you can see and do with our frequently updated events guide. Let's go.
Get ready.
Purity Talks Live with Cherlene Wilson takes place this Friday at Hackney Picturehouse, London. This event serves as a platform to normalise the narrative of sex amongst the Christian community and the church through conversations and workshops. This has been created for people who are single, dating or courting and even married. So get ready for an open, frank dialogue about sexual purity with a non-Christianese approach and on realities of this Christian walk and how to maintain our swag, faith and celibacy. Full details on MyChurch.Events. Live and Unplugged February 2018 edition takes place this Sunday at the Cafe Nero East Croydon and will be an evening where you can bring a friend and listen to some live music inspired by a life of Christian faith. Grab a coffee or two and check out the eclectic mix of acoustic styles ranging from gospel rap to pop and includes spoken word. Don't forget Valentine's Day is coming up, so this is a great opportunity to socialise in a loving, safe environment. MyChurch.Events for full details. The North London Waste Authority have put together a number of events and they have one at the St Paul's Church in Enfield where you can give some of your unwanted household items to the church so that it can give it away to those who may need it. Speaks about this in Matthew 25. Or fancy picking up something good as new for free that you need, then make your way down also. This event lasts for 3 hours with allocated giving time of 1 PM to 2 PM and taking time 2:30 PM to 4 PM. We don't normally do this, but we didn't want you to miss out. This event is called Faith in the Questions and takes place on Monday in St Martin in the Fields Church in Trafalgar Square. The event evening incorporates a performance of a new one-act play called Counting the Clouds, followed by a conversation with leading scientists. The play tells a story of a scientist who is a Christian wrestling with the structure of the universe whereby his personal life is shaken to the core. The conversation that follows gives the audience members a chance to ask their own questions to the scientific thinkers and practitioners. Oh man, I just can't fit any more in. So check out MyChurch.Events for a full listing. From coffee mornings, concerts, seminars to theatre shows, hashtag MyChurch.Events to be in a know. Jonathan Rowland, MyChurch.Events signing out.